Here's an overview of the direct reports a chief financial officer might have, including their roles and main responsibilities. Financial Controller, Chief Accounting Officer. Role description. The financial controller, often known as the chief accounting officer, is primarily responsible for overseeing the company's accounting operations. This role ensures that all financial records are accurate and compliant with accounting standards and regulations. Main responsibilities. 1. Financial reporting. The financial controller is in charge of preparing and overseeing financial statements, ensuring that they accurately reflect the company's financial position and performance. This includes consolidating financial reports from various departments and ensuring compliance with accounting principles and regulations. 2. Accounting operations. Managing daily accounting functions is a core responsibility. This includes overseeing accounts payable and receivable, payroll, and general ledger activities to ensure proper accounting practices are followed. 3. Internal controls. The financial controller develops and maintains internal controls to prevent errors or fraud in financial reporting. This involves implementing procedures to safeguard company assets and ensuring that financial operations adhere to regulatory requirements. Treasurer. Role description. The treasurer manages the company's financial assets and liabilities, focusing on liquidity, investments, and financial risk management. This role is crucial for ensuring that the company has the funds needed to meet its obligations and to invest wisely. Main responsibilities. 1. Cash management. The treasurer oversees the company's cash flow, ensuring there is sufficient liquidity to meet operational needs and obligations. This involves monitoring cash balances, forecasting cash needs, and managing short-term investments. 2. Investment management. This role involves managing the company's investment portfolio, including evaluating investment opportunities and ensuring that investments align with the company's financial goals and risk tolerance. 3. Debt management. The treasurer is responsible for managing the company's debt portfolio, including securing financing, negotiating loan terms, and managing debt repayments. This also includes maintaining relationships with financial institutions and monitoring interest rates and credit conditions. Vice President of Financial Planning and Analysis. Role description. The Vice President of Financial Planning and Analysis, FP&A, is responsible for strategic financial planning and analysis. This role supports the CFO by providing insights and forecasts that drive decision-making and strategic planning. Main responsibilities. 1. Budgeting and forecasting. The VP of FP&A leads the budgeting process, developing financial plans and forecasts that align with the company's strategic goals. This includes analyzing financial trends and preparing long-term projections. 2. Performance analysis. This role involves analyzing financial performance by comparing actual results to budgeted figures. The VP of FP&A identifies variances, assesses their impact, and provides recommendations for improvement. 3. Strategic planning. The VP supports strategic initiatives by providing financial insights and analysis. This includes evaluating potential investments, acquisitions, or business opportunities, and assessing their financial impact on the company. Chief Risk Officer. Role description. The Chief Risk Officer, CRO, is responsible for identifying, assessing, and managing risks that could impact the company's operations and financial performance. The CRO develops risk management strategies to mitigate potential threats. Main responsibilities. 1. Risk assessment. The CRO identifies and evaluates various types of risks, including operational, financial, and strategic risks. This involves conducting risk assessments and determining the potential impact of identified risks. 2. Risk mitigation. The CRO develops and implements risk management strategies and policies to mitigate identified risks. This includes creating risk response plans and monitoring their effectiveness. 3. Compliance and reporting, ensuring that the company complies with regulatory requirements related to risk management is crucial. The CRO also reports on risk exposure and mitigation efforts to the CFO and Board of Directors. Internal Audit Director. Role description. The Internal Audit Director oversees the internal audit function, ensuring that the company's internal controls, processes, and systems are effective and efficient. This role helps in maintaining compliance and improving operational effectiveness. Main responsibilities. 1. Audit planning and execution. The Internal Audit Director plans and executes internal audits to evaluate the effectiveness of internal controls and operational processes. This includes developing audit plans, conducting audits, and reporting findings. 2. Control assessment. This role involves assessing the adequacy of internal controls and identifying areas for improvement. The Internal Audit Director works with management to address control deficiencies and implement corrective actions. 3. Compliance monitoring. Ensuring compliance with regulatory requirements and internal policies is a key responsibility. The Internal Audit Director monitors adherence to laws, regulations, and company policies and reports any non-compliance issues. Tax Director. Role description. The Tax Director manages the company's tax strategy and compliance. This role ensures that the company's tax obligations are met while optimizing its tax position and minimizing tax liabilities. Main responsibilities. 1. Tax compliance. The Tax Director ensures that the company complies with all tax laws and regulations. This involves preparing and filing tax returns, managing tax audits, and addressing any tax-related inquiries from authorities. 2. Tax planning. Developing and implementing tax strategies to minimize the company's tax liabilities is a core responsibility. This includes analyzing tax implications of business decisions and identifying opportunities for tax savings. 3. Tax reporting. The Tax Director oversees the preparation of tax-related financial reports and disclosures. This includes ensuring that tax provisions are accurately reflected in financial statements and reporting tax positions to stakeholders. Investor Relations Officer. Role description. The Investor Relations Officer manages the company's communications with investors and analysts. This role is crucial for maintaining a positive relationship with the investment community and ensuring transparent and effective communication. Main responsibilities. 1. Communication with investors. The Investor Relations Officer is responsible for communicating the company's financial performance, strategy, and outlook to investors and analysts. This involves preparing investor presentations, press releases, and annual reports. 2. Market analysis. This role includes monitoring market trends and investor sentiment to provide insights into how the company is perceived by the investment community. The Investor Relations Officer uses this information to address investor concerns and manage expectations. 3. Shareholder engagement. Engaging with shareholders to address their inquiries and concerns is a key responsibility. The Investor Relations Officer organizes and manages shareholder meetings and ensures that shareholder feedback is communicated to management. These roles each play a critical part in supporting the CFO and ensuring the company's financial health and operational effectiveness.